Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off keyboard check spelling on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on settings. In the settings screen, swipe up to go down. And in here, tap on general. Next, we go down and tap on keyboard. Then go to the all keyboards section and tap on check spelling. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. By default, this is turn on. And when you type in your app, if you make a wrong spelling, it will offer you to correct it. It will tell you that you have made the wrong spelling by giving you a red underline. And that's it. Now you can fix it from the pop-up suggestions. And that is how you can turn it on or off on the iPhone 14 series. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.